So this is the smartwatch that I bought from TikTok shop. So this is it in the box. So it's a sport smartwatch. So this is how it come in the box. So that's what it looks like. Obviously, when I get it out, so it says it's a smartwatch. Put the future of health on your wrist. So this is just the box it comes in. So I'm just going to open it now and have a look. So that's it, packaged in the box. So that's what it looks like. So let's just take this off. Right, so this is the watch. So that's probably one of the screens. It has got a film on it, so that needs to come off. So yeah, it's a big face, very big. So let me just peel that off. So that's the screen there. It doesn't feel cheap, although it is a cheap smartwatch from the TikTok shop. But those are the sensors. So it's a sport watch, so it's got the heart rate sensors on the back there. So it does say it has heart rate monitoring. So we'll see how good that is as a smartwatch. So it didn't come with the bracelet, no, the strap attached to it, sorry. So that's the watch face. So strap here, so this is a strap. So it's not a really saying it's a sport watch. It's coming like an aluminium watch strap, but that looks okay. So let's put that down there. Now what else is in the box? So let me just take this out. Oh right, so you've got, oh okay, so this is gonna be if you need to take some links out of the smartwatch. So that what takes out the links, that comes in the box as well. And then we've got a charging cable here, USB type A. So that's a charging cable. And then it comes with a screen protector. So that's your screen protector that you put on the screen. And there it's got some spare pins as well. So when you adjust the bracelet. And then here is the instruction manual. So I'm going to have a look at that. Obviously it's all in different types of languages. So yeah, so I'm going to go and get this set up and get it, show you what it's like. So I think I'm going to have to adjust the strap to my wrist liking, because this does look a bit big. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with it. I didn't think when I bought it that the watch face would be this big, but let's get it all set up and then I'll show you the functions of this cheap TikTok smartwatch that I purchased on the TikTok shop. So this is the smartwatch that I bought from TikTok shop. So I've been messing about with it for a bit. So obviously you've seen the unboxing of it. It's a very stylish watch. So I've been using it for a bit now. So this is what it looks like outside the box. So it's the sport smartwatch from the TikTok shop. So this is it. So this is the screen on there. So very clear screen there. Nice stainless steel strap. So it's a really good quality stainless steel strap. I did have to take out a couple of links because it wasn't properly suited onto my wrist, but the quality is really good. You got a button there, function button, and then you've got one there, and you've got the main button there. So yeah, I'm impressed with it. Nice big display. So that's the main screen there. So as you can see, so the swiping again, because these watches are quite cheap, the swiping's quite good. So you got an activity section there. So just the activities on there. Then if you swipe across there, you've got your sleep, information, heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen. I've not been using it for a bit. And then you've got your stress monitor on there, and then you've got the weather. Sometimes the Bluetooth doesn't connect, as you can see, the weather, but when it does connect, the weather is on there. So if you click back, you can add some more favorites on there. So you've got some other things you can add on there as well. So as you can see, you can add all sorts of favorites on there as well. So just click back on that. So go back to the main screen. So with this watch, like any other cheap smartwatch, you know, you've got obviously notifications. So that's where all your messages are and everything. So if you swipe up from the bottom, and then if you swipe down from the top, you've got all your settings there. So you've got your settings there for the display, vibrating ring, do not disturb, audio, Bluetooth. So when somebody rings you, you can have audio, you can have it coming through the speakers. The speakers are quite good on this as well. Got your low power mode, and you've got your phone call on, so you can answer calls on the watch as well. So that's some settings there. You've got brightness, got a torch, and then you've got low battery, and you've got night mode on there. So there's some settings there. And if you swipe across from the left, you've got all some other settings there. This can be customizable as well. So you've got, you know, you just spin that around, and then you go to all your settings on here. So, you know, I'm really impressed with it. Saying it's from TikTok. I will leave the link below of where in the actual link to the TikTok shop as well. So let's just go out of that. So let me just press that, so that takes you back out. You have got as well fitness as well on there, so you can check up on your walking, running, cycling, all sorts. So you know, it's a fitness watch as well. So you've got all those settings on there. I think it's a really good watch. It is a big screen, big face. I'll put it on and I'll show you what it looks like on my wrist. So I'll just show you that now. So this is it on my wrist. My wrist is, it's just an average size wrist. So that's what it looks like. Probably doesn't do it justice on camera, but it is a big face. But like I said, I did had to remove a couple links. But you know, it's just one of those ones that just clip there and then you undo it. It looks like a really stylish watch. I have had some really good comments on this watch because it looks more expensive than what I did pay for it. I think I did actually, was it £25? But for £25, it's a really, you know, good quality. I have had people say, you know, your watch face is really big, but it does look the business when you've got it on. It doesn't come off on camera, but it, you know, if you're into your big, I would say it's about, you know, if you're into your G-Shock watches, I would say the face is near enough the same size. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get one of my G-Shock watches and I will show you and compare the size so you can get a comparison. Okay, so this is my G-Shock watch. I love G-Shock watches. I do like big G-Shock watches. So that's just the comparison. If you know, this is one of the Mudmaster G-Shock watches. These are quite big. So as you can see there, it's near enough the same size. So if you're into G-Shock watches, you'll be able to compare. This is a G-Shock Mudmaster. So look, side by side, they're near enough the same size. So yeah, so I really do like this watch. I did do a review on other smartwatch, another cheap watch from Temu, which has had loads of views, by the way. But I really am impressed with this watch, you know, for what it is on the TikTok shop. It does use the same app that you use for the Temu watch. I'll just show you the app. So it does use this same app. It's the Dafit app. So it's the same kind of thing. You just download it to your phone. If you've watched the Temu smartwatch, you would have seen the app. I will leave the link for the Temu smartwatch review in the link below, so you can have a look at that video. But that's the app that you need to download for this watch as well. It's called Dafit. So it's exactly the same app that you download. But if you have got a Temu smartwatch or this one, you can't add them both on the app at the same time. I had to remove the Temu smartwatch to get this one set up, which I find a bit weird, because I've got an Amazfit smartwatch as well, and you can add multiple Amazfit smartwatches onto the same app at the same time. So like I said, this is another cheap smartwatch. It's from the TikTok shop. I will, like I said, leave the link below of where you can, obviously you know where you can get it from. It's from the TikTok shop, but I'll leave the link below. So I hope you like this quick video on another cheap smartwatch which I picked up. It is a really good smartwatch. It's really good quality, got a bit of weight to it as well, and like I said, it is a big face as well. So I hope you liked the video. So if you could like and comment and subscribe to my channel, BK Tech Reviews, that would be much appreciated. See you soon.